Hey everyone, I want to provide a quick update on our renovation project with our new facility. Our remodel plans were recently approved by the Wisconsin Department of Safety, providing us with the finalized floor plan, now allowing us to launch our program with 16 residential beds. Our contractors are agreeing to start on our renovations in early January with a May completion, which means we are still prayerfully anticipating the June grand opening. We are so thankful for the community support that has rallied behind us over the past several months. Here is some awesome footage of our demolition project we wanted to share, thanks to the help of the multi-campus Spring Lake Church men. We hope you enjoy it. God bless.